We're going to look at applications of vector functions at time through examples, and this is the first of 3, and I'll do 3 separate videos on each one. So the first one, the paths of 2 model sailboats are defined by the following vector functions at time, where time is measured in minutes and distance in meters. So we might need to know that and our units. So we have 2 vector equations, one for boat A and one for boat B, and we're in 2 dimensions. So calculate the distance between the boats at time 8 minutes. So for vector A, I need to plug in 8. So I get 8 plus 13i plus 6 lots of 8j, which gives me 21i plus 48j. For vector B, if I plug in 8, I get 3 times 8 minus 5, I plus 5 plus 8j, which gives me 19i plus 13j. Now, distance between the 2 boats is going to be given by the magnitude of the difference between those vectors. So let's work out the distance between the vectors, or let's subtract the 2 vectors. So we're going to have 19i plus 13j, take 21i plus 48j, which gives us a negative 2i minus 35j. And now we need the magnitude. So that's going to be given by the square root of negative 2 all squared plus negative 35 all squared, which is a square root of 1,229, which is approximately 35.06, and our units are meters. So therefore, there is approximately 35.06 meters between the boats. Part B, calculate if at any given time, t seconds, they are in the same location. That is determined if there is any possibility of a collision. Now, interestingly, this says seconds, whereas time is in minutes, but we'll see what we can do about that. Anyway, R of A has to equal R of B for a collision. So that means t plus 13i plus 6tj has to equal 3t minus 5i plus 5 plus tj. So if we look at our I component, we have t plus 13 equals 3t minus 5. So just looking at that. Solving, that would give us 18 equals 2t, so t equals 9. Do the same for our j component. So 6t would equal 5 plus t. Solving, 5t equals 5, t equals 1. Now, these two numbers do not equal each other, so as there's no common time for when the two functions are at the same location, the boats will not collide.